CLC down for the cause? Man, times have changed. Woo! Hey everyone, it's Stashe.
And Alex.
We're here, we're doing another reaction. CLC just dropped their music video called Helicopter. So CLC, they're from Cube Entertainment, which is the same company as G Idol.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's a name I've heard.
You know G Idol.
I've heard the name, yes. I'm sure.
You know.
Oh yeah, okay. I know that.
That's okay. So they're like sister groups. Anyway.
Okay.
Anyways, we're gonna get right into it, and we got the subtitles on.
Clutch.
Oh, we already got the helicopter sounds. We won't be lonely at the top. Diamond stairs. Wings.
Great commentary.
Oh my god, goosebumps. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love her in blonde hair. Oh my god!
That was a lot.
She walked on his back. Queen. What's this drop in sound like? Dang. Oh, I like the jewels over here. Oh, I love her bow. Oh, my back. Alright, we're in space. Black power?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I was like,
CLC down for the cause? Man, times have changed. Woo! Well, That was amazing. I can honestly say that I got like goosebumps watching them dance.
There was some pretty hype points in that.
Yeah.
Like, let's all turn into a bridge in the middle of this song was pretty intense.
The back bend. I was like, girl.
Like, they didn't even go the easy way. They just went backwards.
And then they did the black power fist at the end.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they didn't know what that was.
It probably wasn't the black power. I'm just playing.
So a couple things I noticed. So the first is there's a point where they've got this like spiral blade kind of thing in the background, and that is a reference to Da Vinci's original flying machine, which was supposed to be a helicopter. It had this corkscrew blade on it. It does not work. They've tested it. But I think it's a cool reference for a song named Helicopter to make.
Yeah.
And then really early on, you're gonna have to try a couple times to hit this right, but in that opening sequence where they're all kind of walking out, they flash a bunch of images, and one of the things they flash up there is Da Vinci's Vitruvian Man, which is the guy with 4 arms and 4 legs in a circle and a square, which does mean that CLC has a dick in their opening, because that guy is completely naked and everything is drawn. Yeah, very good job.
That's really cool that you pointed that out, because I definitely did not see that. And I really like, the one line I really liked was when they say like, what is it? We go up hella loud or something like that?
No, like that.
Something about going up and not being quiet about it. And I like that because it's just like, do you and...
We make hella noise or something.
Yeah, we make
like
hella
that.
noise. And I like that because it's just like, do you and be unapologetic. It's just like, do you and be, I can't say that word.
Unapologetic.
Anyways, alright, but yeah, we like the video, so bye!